Good morning, students. Before we start the session of the day, you all must bring your grammar book and a pencil. Open your grammar book to page 29, that is lesson 12. When I start teaching children, wherever I instruct you to mark or underline, you must do the same. In case you miss something, you may pause the video, rewind it and do what is needed and again resume the video. The chapter of the day is nouns, gender. Gender actually refers to classification of nouns on their being a male or a female. You all must have done the topic Ling Badlo in Hindi. It is same what we call gender in English. However, in English there are 4 kinds of gender: masculine, feminine, neuter and common. We will take up these genders one by one. Let's take an example. Sanjeev is a boy. He is my brother. Here the word, or you can say here the noun, the common noun boy and brother stands for a boy. And in the next example, the highlighted word girl and sister refers to a girl, or you can say refers to a female. Based on this, we have 2 types of gender, masculine and feminine. Come to the blue box and underline. A noun that denotes a male is said to be a masculine gender. This is pulling in your Hindi. Male means boys or male means men. So all the words that denote a male come in the category of masculine gender. Example, what we read before, boy and brother will be categorized as masculine gender. Next, a noun that denotes a female is said to be the feminine gender. Feminine stands for all the women, or you can say feminine stands for all the females. So a word or a noun which stands for a female will be in the category of feminine gender. Now comes the third one, neuter gender. Come to the box. A noun that denotes a non-living thing. Please make a box around this. A non-living thing is said to be a neuter gender. Let's take the example above. Sanjay has a ball. Here ball is a noun, that is a name of an object. Vani has a bag. Bag is a non-living thing and it is a noun. So both these words, ball and bag, will be in the category of neuter gender. The 4th category or type is common gender. Now there are certain words which fix for both boys or girls, or which are suitable both for a male and a female. For example, there are teachers in your school, and if you notice that even a male member and a female member, both are your teachers. There is Manav sir in the school, Sanjay sir in the school, and many other sirs are there. Same way, there are teachers who are like Bindu ma'am, Kavita ma'am, Shelja ma'am, they are females. So there are certain words which are suitable both for a male and a female, and these words are known as, these nouns are known as common gender. Look at the example. Mr. Gupta is a teacher. And the next example reads, Mrs. Gupta is a teacher too. So here, Mr. Gupta and Mrs. Gupta. Mr. Gupta is a male, Mrs. Gupta is a female, both are teacher. We do not change this word teacher based on the gender of the person. They remain the same. Teacher word remains the same both for a man and a woman. So such words are categorized as common gender. Look at the examples given below. The words like doctor, friend, cousin, child, student, player, neighbor are all of the common gender because whether it is a male or a female, both are known as a doctor or a friend or a cousin or a child, etc. Come to the box above and underline a noun that can denote both male and a female. Make a box around it. Both a male and a female is said to be of the common gender. Likewise, there are many such words, children, especially the professions, engineer, lawyer, judge, etc., which are common for both a male and a female, and thus are termed as common gender. Turn your book to page 30. Write learn for the D part. You have to learn these genders. Come to the E part. The question reads, underline the nouns in the following sentences and arrange them in proper columns. I will be taking up the first part of this question, that is underlining the nouns and arranging them in proper columns as mentioned below, masculine, feminine, common, neuter. This will be done by you. Let's start. The actor was wearing an old costume. You need to know what are nouns to do this topic. So the noun here is actor and costume. Question number 2. Her husband fell off a motorcycle. We had to take him to a doctor. Underline husband, motorcycle, doctor. Next, Arushi, Ankit, athletes. Now children, certain names are the ones which stand for both or which can be for both boy and girl. For example, the name Anmol can be for a boy also and for a girl also. Well, in this case, if you categorize it as a masculine or a feminine, both the answers will be correct. So take care. Sometimes a word, especially a proper noun, may suit both a male and a female. Question number 4. Hero, Phil. Question number 5. Good students respect their teachers. Students, teachers. Question number 6. Atlas, aunt. Question number 7. Tiger, tigress, tree. And last, question number 8. It is a pen and ma'am. In case I have missed any word, you may mark it and categorize accordingly. So page number 30, the second part of the question, and page number 31 is your homework. Thank you children. Have a nice day.